Today might be your lucky day. I just found a TikTok and YouTube niche that's completely under the radar, and people in it are making at least $1,500 a month through the TikTok Creator Reward Program and YouTube monetization. And creating videos like this takes less than 10 minutes. Stick with me, and I'll show you exactly what it is and how to start today. I call it the what if niche. You create short scenarios around questions like, what if the sun disappears? What if dinosaurs came back? What if bees vanished? I found a channel with 152 videos. Every video have over millions of views. And as you can see, every video is longer than 1 minute. That show they're all monetized. Let me show you step by step how to make these videos with AI. Using the topic, what if all computers disappear from Earth? First, we need a script. We're going to use AI for this. I used both ChatGPT and Google Gemini to compare which one gives a better script. Let me show you the prompt I used. Create an interesting video script for the topic, what would happen if all computers disappear from Earth? Make it simple, easy to understand, and around 1 minute long. Use the starting sentence, what if all the computers disappear from the world? I pasted that into ChatGPT and got a really solid script. Then I tried the same prompt with Gemini. After reading both, I felt Gemini's version was more engaging and flowed better, but you can choose whichever you prefer. For this example, I went with the Gemini script. That step took less than a minute. Now, because I'm always searching for the best tools to automate YouTube and TikTok growth, I found something that completely changes the game. I'm talking about an AI tool that handles everything: script writing, voiceover, visuals, and editing, all in one place. The crazy thing is, it doesn't matter what your niche is. This AI can create videos for any topic you can imagine. The tool I'm introducing today is called SmartShort, and here's why it's so important. First, it generates unique and natural sounding scripts. Most AI scripts sound robotic and lifeless, but this one creates content that actually flows like a real person wrote it. Second, it gives you access to all the ultra-realistic voices from 11 Labs directly inside the platform. And third, it generates images for every single scene exactly the way you imagine them and edits everything together automatically. The result is a fully finished video in minutes, not hours. So now let me show you exactly how this works step by step. First, head over to SmartShort using the link in my description. Start by selecting your language. There are around 16 languages available, so if you're targeting a specific country, you can easily switch. For this example, I'll go with English. Now, you'll see they've preloaded specific niches like scary stories, motivation, and more. If your channel fits one of these, you can select it directly. Otherwise, just enter your own prompt. For this first test, I'm going to use your script option. Click on it, then click on New Project on top. Now you're on the main editing dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Copy your script from ChatGPT or Google Gemini and paste it into the box, then click Next. Next, you need to select an AI voice. SmartShort gives you access to over 50 ultra-realistic voices, including the full library from 11 Labs. Unlike other tools, these voices actually sound human. Take your time and pick one that matches the tone of your niche. For this video, I'll select the voice named Brain, then click Next again. Now this next part is crucial. You'll see an option that says one footage for every 2.5 seconds. This controls how often the video changes images. You can increase or decrease this based on your pacing. For this video, I'll set it to one image every 2.5 seconds. Next, here is voice speed option. You can also increase or decrease. Now you'll find 4 powerful options: enable smooth transitions, activate sound effects, turn on automatic silence removal, and allow simple animations. Trust me, activating all 4 will dramatically increase the quality of your final video. Once you're ready, click Generate. Within just a few seconds, your video will be ready. Let's take a look at what SmartShort created.
What if all the computers disappear from the world? Instantly, it would be pure chaos. Your phone becomes a useless brick of glass. Traffic lights fail, causing massive gridlock. Forget about buying anything. Digital banking vanishes, and credit cards stop working entirely. Within days, global supply chains collapse. Supermarket shelves go empty because the complex systems that track food deliveries no longer exist.
Honestly, that's incredible. If you've ever tried to create a video like this manually, you know how hard it is to match images to a script perfectly. But SmartShort nailed it. And look at the caption. They even different color automatically, which keeps viewers engaged and watching longer. Now, if you want to customize anything, it's easy. Use the side menu to change text colors, adjust placements, or swap out caption styles. There are dozens of pre-made templates to choose from. You can even upload your own images if you want to add something specific. And when you're done, simply download the video with no watermarks. It's really that simple. Now let's try the second option and let SmartShort generate the script for us. I'll start a new project and enter a new prompt. This time, my video will be, "What if our keyboard can speak?" Within seconds, the AI generates a complete, well-structured script. I'll select Adam's voice, enable the same 4 quality options, and hit generate.
Imagine typing away and suddenly your keyboard starts speaking back to you. It sounds wild, right? But what if this was a reality? Picture the convenience of having your keyboard read out messages, emails, or even instructions. No more squinting at the screen or missing important details. Now think about the possibilities.
Honestly, what do you think? In my opinion, this AI has done an amazing job. The visuals match perfectly, the voice sounds natural, and the pacing is spot on. If you're planning to invest in a tool to scale your YouTube automation, SmartShort is absolutely the best option I've found. Now, let's talk about pricing, because I know that's important. SmartShort offers 3 packages. The first is $19 a month for 20 short videos. The second is $39 a month for 50 videos. And the Pro Edition is $59 a month for 100 videos. With that top package, you could easily run at least 5 different short-form channels at once. That's the entire process. From idea to finished video, it took me less than 10 minutes. The niche is still wide open, the tools are free or very affordable, and the potential for passive income through the TikTok creativity program is real. I hope you learned something valuable. Go start that channel, and I'll see you in the next video.